Cloud is often mentioned in the same breath as terms like paradigm shift, digital transformation, and more. But at least one thing remains constant. Java applications continue to be important to developers, communities, and the industry at large. So this one is for all the Java developers out there. We're excited to announce 2 new Jumpstart solutions to help you deploy Java applications to Google Cloud in a matter of minutes. In any environment, Java applications need the same fundamental technologies to run successfully: compute, storage, networking, and more. And this has been true for decades. The difference now is that Cloud has put a friendlier abstraction atop these resources and has improved the ability to deploy and scale applications. However friendly these abstractions may be, they do not change the fact, though, that these core resources at first may be unfamiliar to you in the cloud. So with these 2 solutions, we want to flatten the learning curve in favor of you, the Java developer, so that you can focus on taking advantage of what Google Cloud has to offer. Instead of wrangling with a Google Cloud architecture from scratch that covers the needs of a Java application, these solutions will give you a pattern that you can adopt or tweak at a more granular level. Now, if this is your first time hearing of Jumpstart solutions, they are packaged Google Cloud resources that can be quickly deployed directly from the Google Cloud console. If you have desired changes you'd like to make, we've also built the foundation of these solutions in Terraform, which you can pull locally and customize to your heart's content. And while they are not intended for production use out of the box, they do contain patterns that can be adopted as you prepare your Java applications for production in Google Cloud. All in all, these 2 solutions will show you where you can run your Java applications, how to expose your Java applications to the internet, how you can store relational and static data from your Java applications, and how to review logs and metrics for your Java applications. Let's dive into their respective architectures. Each solution deploys XWiki, a wiki that runs in a Java servlet container, to Google Cloud. The first solution bakes XWiki into a VM image and deploys Google Compute Engine VMs using this image. The solution also creates a virtual private cloud, which is your own private network in Google Cloud. And given that XWiki serves traffic over the web, like many other Java workloads, the solution also provisions an HTTP cloud load balancer to route incoming traffic from the internet to the XWiki application. XWiki, being a wiki site, of course, requires state. It needs to store relational data, which in this solution is configured across a highly available MySQL database in Cloud SQL. Other assets required by XWiki are stored across a fully managed NFS server in Cloud File Store and a global managed object store, Cloud Storage. The second solution is quite similar to the first, but more tailored for folks looking to get started with, or already deploying, containerized Java applications. This uses Google Kubernetes Engine as the compute runtime in place of Compute Engine VMs. Upon deployment of each of these Jumpstart solutions, you'll be able to access and load test XWiki running on Google Cloud. So what now? As I mentioned, each of these solutions are accessible in the Google Cloud console. If you navigate to Products and Solutions, and then to Jumpstart Solutions, you can navigate to Deploy a Java app. Just a few clicks, and you'll be up and running. You can also reference our solution guides to dig deeper into the architecture and learn about customizing the solution. Finally, you can also explore using our interactive tutorials that walk you through the various components of this solution. Now keep in mind, while these Jumpstart solutions are not meant to be used in production out of the box, they do give you mechanisms to explore the patterns you might incorporate into your own environments on Google Cloud. So check out the links below to try out these Jumpstart solutions for yourself.